Mambo VP. In this beautiful video, I'm going to show you how to create a short video, a GIF, a graphics interchange format using Python script. So it's just only like 45 or 40 lines of code, because when you ignore the comments, it's like 39 lines of code. So I'm going to show you a simple way. How this code works actually. You first have to install pip install pillow. This one is like where you just have to create images. This pip install pillow, you have to open your terminal like this one here, then write the command of pip install pillow. For my case, I have it already, and it is in this particular folder. I can show you how you do it, but you after installing it, that's where you can have access of this Python script. But I forgot to show you something. To access, make sure this script is put in this. I mean, you are running this script, and let's say that script, you put an image folder, as you can see the second here comment. So you can always browse like this, open folder. Of course, I did it already. This is my particular folder. I select, I know, and then I expand. This is my particular things inside my folder. That is folder called images. As you can see here, images. So these images, I'll explain step by step. First of all, from this is where the code starts. This is where you call the pillow from pillow import. So it imports the image, ImageDraw, ImageFont, and all options. Then from the folder path, you see this path, it's called the parent file. You need to label it images. Doesn't matter. If you don't have the folder labeled images, you can always change. Make sure when you change here, it is supposed to change here. You see? You change it here. So when I change images or a picture, you change here so that this is where it pulls all the information. Then it goes with all format, PNG, JPEG, or JPEG, joint photographic exchange. Then from here it goes for the loops, for F for images in files. So it takes here, it converts the image, it opens it, then it converts to RGB, the normal color like red, green, blue, so that you can have a vision, a human eye. And this 1000 like a pixel wide and 700 height. Then it goes, it tries, it catch, it tries, and then the title of that image, because I'll show you when I run it, there's a land use change because I'm trying to show a land use, for instance, changes of land. You can have a GIF, for instance, your personal pictures, maybe from your age 10, how you grow up till age whatever, 100 years. Or it can be a construction project if you want to show the phases of construction. Or it can be even a project management, how to show those project management cycles. So you see, this is where you put the videos and it appends, and this is where you call it now. So at the end, the video will be called Saturday time lapse. So because I want to show you, I can change it. For instance, you say Saturday time lapse, I can say maybe, I can call it maybe video Arnold, for instance. Okay, so it will be called video Arnold. Then, but don't forget to put this point GIF because it converts to GIF, geographic interchange format. So that's it. So this is the comment. So you can always go, okay, another thing, I have 4 images, but you can put as many images as you like. But for a better video, you can go with maybe 5 to 15 images if you're putting in a presentation. Also, I'll show you maybe the duration of the clip. If you want to change, you change it from here. You see here, this duration. For instance, this is 2000, you can add 2500. These are milliseconds, so depending on the length of the video. So from there, now we're done. You can just run it. Just run everything. I'll run without debugging. So when I run it, it will run here in the terminal. Voila, the video just there, created. So you see here, it's already there. So you can always click it here, and you can play, you see. Do you remember the code land use change here? Land use change. You see, this is the land use change here. You remember here? This is the land use change. So we can edit here. We can say, okay, we don't want that. We just say land use change. We can label it maybe like the title is it. We can say maybe like video creation. Video creation. Okay? Video creation. Then we run it again. Sorry. Run without debugging. Okay, it runs already. So you go back here. Let me close this. Then I run it. You see here, video creation and the years depending on the images. So that's it. So this is the way of creating a GIF. And you can open it, for instance, if you have your Windows, like here, video Arnold. Now it's named video Arnold. Why? It's because in my script here, I've said it should come with the name video Arnold, the name of the file. So it can be video Arnold, it can be construction, it can be project management cycle, it can be agronomy processes, all that, or a greenhouse gas emission stages or whatever, as long as they're in terms of PNG or JPG or JPEG. So that's it. So this is the way of actually creating a GIF or a short video using Python script. Don't worry, I'll paste this script in the description so that you can always play around and enjoy. So now, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can enjoy more Python scripting videos. Thank you and obrigado.